Drawing sample 7. In this sample, we will learn how to create a pencil. And during the sample, we will learn the creation of the basic shapes and editing and modifying the curves, also to try the fill change. Let's go in a new document, and using the rectangle, we can create the basic shape in the pencil. It is the body, using the rectangle tool. After, we can apply for a gradient fill. With the selection tool, we can click the fill to apply for a new fill linear gradient. In the linear gradient, we can control the color drops so as we can change until to reach a specific color. Let's go with the greens. The middle one should be lighter color so as to give the effect of light reflection. For now, we will keep the outline, the stroke. It will help us to modify the body shape. As you see, we have this effect at the edge that we can apply when we make edits for the line. Here we can use the sub-selection tool. As you see, we have a control points, but until to have a transformation points, we can add for some pixels or some handles. The handles we can add after converting this one to a curve. We can have a curve using the selection tool. When we drag this line, let's see the change. The change is now we have that point with a transformation handle, and the adding point is available. We can add for some points. After, we can control with the sub-selection tool. Then we can continue with the drawing. Using the line tool, we can create this part. We can adjust the position with the selection tool. After, we can apply for a fill for this part simply using the paint bucket. To copy like a fill gradient to that part, we can use the eyedropper and click the gradient fill. This makes a copy from the fill. After, we can apply here. Some changes can be applied to that area to change to a wood color. Using the pencil, we can add this curve. When we zoom in, we can control the line so as we can remove some parts. And here it's important to have the edges closed. Then we can apply for a fill for this part. When we select, we can choose a solid color that can be in the same color of the pencil skin. And now we can remove our strokes. And this line we can leave for a nice definition, but we can change the color to that one. After we can add a rectangle in this area, and we can remove the stroke after to apply with a proper fill. Using the eyedropper, we can take the copy and apply to that part. I think if we have it darker, it should be better. A little curve we can create when we modify the line with the selection tool. Also, we can add the brand text, and we can adjust the rotation with the rotation tool.